Manderston House, Duns, Berwickshire, Scotland, is the home of the Rt Hon, the fourth Baron Palmer. It was completely rebuilt between 1901 and 1903 and has sumptuous interiors with a silver-plated staircase. The proprietor, Sir James Miller, 2nd Baronet, 1864 to 1906, told the architect, John Kinross, that there was no budget. It really doesn't matter. Origins. Manderston was an estate of the powerful Hon family, and their tower house appears on General Roy's map of 1750. Alexander Hon, of Manderston, de jure 5th Earl of Dunbar, 1651 to 1720, seems to be the last member of this family who owned the estate. On 14 October 1689, King William III and II confirmed the earldom of Dunbar to him, exemplifying the previous confirmation thereof by King Charles II. The estate was later owned for a short time by the head of the Swinton family, who now reside at Kinross House nearby, and from whom the actress Tilda Swinton is descended. The present big house at Manderston incorporates the earlier Georgian house built about 1794. Dalhousie Watherston, 1752 to 1803. Family. Sir James Miller's father, Sir William Miller, 1st Baronet, 1809 to 1887, had, with his father James, made a fortune trading in Russia, mainly in herring and hemp. He was British Vice-Consul at St. Petersburg, 1842 to 1854, Member of Parliament for Leith, 1859 to 1868, and for Berwickshire, 1873 to 1874. Sir James Miller, 2nd Baronet, had married Eveline, daughter of Alfred, 4th Baron Scarsdale, and his grand house remodelling scheme was said to be in order to remind his wife of the splendour of her family home, Kedleston Hall. They had no children and the estate passed to his brother John Alexander Miller, 3rd Baronet, 1867 to 1918. He also had no children by either of his two wives, and the estate passed to his sister Amy Elizabeth Miller, the present Lord Palmer's great-grandmother. The house contains the world's largest collection of Huntley and Palmer's biscuit tins, dating back to 1868. It is open to the public on selected days only. Films. The house was used in 2 films about the Prince and Princess of Wales. The Edwardian Country House, Manor House in the U.S. Secrets of the Manor House, 2012. PBS. The Awakening, 2012. BBC Films. First Night, 2010. Scorpio Films. The House of Mirth. Man to Man. See also. Buxley. List of places in the Scottish Borders. List of places in Scotland. Berks Peerage and Baronetage. 61st edition. 1899. An Ordinary of Scottish Arms. By Sir James Balfour Paul. Edinburgh. 1903. Borders and Berwick. By Charles A. Strang. Rutland Press. 1994. ppс. 41-2. ISBN 1-873190-10-7. Manderston homepage. RCAHMS. Manderston House. Kennels. RCAHMS. Canmore. Manderston Estate and Policies. Scran image of Manderston.